So thought I'd better do an update. It's March 2025. Because I wasn't getting many hits on the site, I sort of gave up on the videoing of everything, editing it and then uploading it, because it was really as much work doing that as it was working on the boat. Now, the boat's come on leaps and bounds in the last 18 months, but I haven't videoed much. I'll give you a quick whiz down through now. I'm getting the tow rails back on, the forepeak's all back on, the top deck's pretty much done. I've spray painted one side, 4 or 5 coats. It's just a case of cutting it back and buffing it up now, polishing it, which is nice. It's back to the David Sadler colour of blue aqua, and I just think it's an amazing colour. So it's a little bit scruffy at the moment because I've been putting the tow rail on and sanding it, and I'm just about to oil it. But have a little look, see what you think. Yeah, the decorative line down through here will all go back in cream. This is that hardwood surround, the hardwood edging I built last year or a year before in the workshop. There's a video of it, but she's looking superb. I'm loving it. I really want to get on with it and get it sailing, really. Get her out of the yard, get her out away from the workshop and get on with it. So I'm making my way to the back here. We've got the new transom plate there, look. That's gonna get fitted soon. Good power wash, good clean up again, then more paint. I've got inside the cockpit to paint, the outside's all been done, but 2 years ago now, so that will still need a clean up and a polish. And I'll give you a quick show inside as to what I've done in there, although it's quite dusty. There really has been a lot of progress inside as well. All the windows need trimming now and finishing, which will be done. But I'll give you a quick update, that's all I'm going to do. Maybe 10-minute video to show you, you know, how far ahead I've come. It's all the stuff I did 2 years ago now is it's starting to show its signs of age. So we'll go inside and I'll show you. I've done painted the ceiling, spray painted the ceiling, finished the forepeak cabin, which was a mess. So as you can see in here, I've cleared all the bulkhead, done some filler work. Fucking not sure how far I got through. Probably got twice as much to do now. Ceiling's all been spray painted, as you can see. I really love the finish. It came up well since there was tons and tons of masking and stuff like that. The handrail has all been filled and the holes are filled in. Filled the holes above all the windows in the cabin, and also the bulkhead has been done and filled, ready for sanding, prepping and then varnishing again. Same on this side. The ceiling came up exceptional. One thing I did to tidy up the little vents, the porthole lights, is I made these little wooden shrouds, varnished them, and they're bolted up in there, and I think they look cracking. I'm loving the effect of that. Got a new brand spanking new stainless stove to go in, everything to be cleaned, repainted. The grey locker paint started in the back there. And the fore cabin is now finished with all the latches and everything done, getting ready to rubber mat the floor. You've seen in here before, but I will spin round. And I've taken the locker doors out and I've veneered the insides up and the 2 upright posts just to make it look a bit tidier. It goes in nicely with the whipped carpets, and not forgetting I got those brand spanking new blue £1,000 expensive cushions recovered. They look fantastic in here. Ceiling and everything will get repainted again before I put her on the water, but at the moment I'm concentrating on other areas.